I do that. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jo, and today I'm filming a video about my trip. Me and my family are taking a trip to Negril. We're gonna be in Negril for about 6 days, starting today till May 5th. So I thought it would be a cool video to film for you guys. There's gonna be a lot of fun stuff happening, and I think it's a pretty long drive. That was my photography. If you guys are interested in doing photo shoots, so you want like graduation pictures or birthday photo shoots or any of that, I do all that kinds of stuff. I've been a photographer for almost 4 years now, and yeah, it's something that I really like to do. So I just wanted to let you guys know that my name is pronounced photographer and not photographer, and it's because I'm a photographer and my name is Jo.
I think it's terribly dangerous for an artist to fulfill other people's.
Thank you guys so much for 900 subscribers. I just checked my YouTube right now as I'm talking about YouTube and saw that I have 900 subscribers now. So thank you guys so much for your continued support and love of my videos. I'm so appreciative and happy. Like I say, like I keep on saying, but it's true because I am very appreciative and happy that you guys enjoy my content. And thank you for 900 subscribers. I can't believe I'm pushing 1,000 subscribers already. I honestly didn't think my YouTube channel would go anywhere, so this is really awesome. Hey guys, so we just made it to Negril. It's currently 11:38 and we left around 6:40 something, so it took us about 5 hours to get here exactly. Yeah, so we're staying at a place my mom's really good friends. It's called Negril Escapes, and I want to show you guys what the room looks like because it's so nice. And I want to show you outside, but it's super dark outside. So I'm going to show you guys in the morning, and right now I'm just going to change and get into pajamas and probably go to sleep. So I'll see you guys later. Good morning, YouTube. It is the next day. I'm super tired because I went to bed late. But I want to show you guys what this place looks like, so. I was supposed to film this forever ago on my cameras, but I freaking died. That's my fault. But I am here in Negril at the Tomorrow Today festival. So in this part of the video, I talk about not knowing what the Tomorrow Today festival is, but I do. It is a retreat and a music festival. There are a lot of different things going on this week though. There were people doing yoga, there were speakers and people who talked about the cannabis industry and rules and regulations and other kinds of stuff. There were concerts. There were people who set up booths there and they were selling all different kinds of knickknacks and fun stuff. My mom had a booth there as well, which I helped her run. And yeah, it was just a really good time, a fun experience. My mom also spoke at the event, which you guys will see later in this video. And I would definitely recommend this for anybody who wants to visit Jamaica or is interested in the festival for next year. So I'm going to try to talk louder than the ocean that's behind me because I know it's pretty loud. But I am back at the resort, the Negril Escapes Resort specifically. And yeah, I'm going to be at that Tomorrow Today event for about the rest of the week up until Sunday. Today's May 1st, yes. So I will be at the Tomorrow Today event until Sunday. And I'll be taking videos and pictures. And I think I'm going to film this video all the way through all the days that I'm going to be here. So you guys just stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys a little later. Hey guys, I didn't film much today because it was pretty much the same things I did yesterday. I went to the festival and helped my mom at her booth. And yeah, it was pretty chill. I think I'll film more tomorrow though because I'm not going to the festival. I'm staying at the resort. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Sorry, I got all close. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Can really put you in a box without you even realizing that you're in that box, and you basically do become a slave. So for example, in this country where we have like some of the most churches per square mile, if I said to somebody, hey, I teach yoga, they're gonna look at me and say, oh, I can't do yoga because that's demonic. I'd be like, well, why would you say that? Why do you think it's demonic? Well, somebody at church told me that it's demonic. Have you ever done yoga before? No, they've never done it, but they strongly believe that this is how it is. This is the same thing with marijuana that's going on. Some people who don't know anything about it have taught a large mass of people this particular thing and created a level of fear in them about it. And now, this is the situation we find ourselves in. So, how to solve this would be what the sister just asked a while ago about I and I, right? Now, it's not to say that Rastas renamed anything, right? That is a word that was given to us, see? And one of the things that Rastas realized is that you cannot know your identity in the mind. You cannot try to seek yourself to be known in the mind, because the mind can't really see all of everything that's here. So you look at a horizon right here now, that's your mind telling you that there's a horizon, right? Because of the limited perception of your eyes. But there really isn't any horizon. If you sail out there, you'd never find it.
Its function and phytocannabinoid supplementation. That's my day job. What I do for fun is work on cannabis policy. So I am a founding board member and the first elected president of the California Cannabis Industry Association. I work on cannabis policy in California. Work with the National Cannabis Industry Association. I had 2 years on their board as the California State Representative working on federal policy in Washington, D.C. Also chaired their Minority Business Council. And now I am here in Jamaica actually working very closely with the government to learn from the best practices, not only from California, because we're the largest cannabis market in the world, but also from all of the United States and other countries that I deal with, and looking at our best practices and learning ways that you can incorporate, not reinvent the wheel, but incorporate the laws that are already out there to have a common sense approach to organizing the cannabis industry here in Jamaica.
Hey guys, so today was my last day in Negril, or me and my siblings, my mom's last day in Negril. We're going home right now. We're getting everything ready. Here's the outside. But yeah, we had a super good time. I'm gonna end the vlog once I get home. I wasn't able to get as much footage as I thought I'd be able to because I was just around a lot of water and there was a lot of times where I couldn't film, so that really sucked. But hopefully I got enough footage for you guys to make a good vlog. Yeah, so I will see you guys when I'm at home. As you guys can see, I'm all home now. I'm super tired. It's 10. The trip took exactly 5 hours this time. But yeah, I'm super ready to sleep, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hopefully it was entertaining, hopefully it was interesting. Yeah, also I'm thinking about changing my intro. I'm not sure how you guys feel about that. If you guys like it, if you guys think I should change it, comment down below and let me know. And also comment down below if you liked my vlog or what you guys would like to see from me in the near future. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. Like, comment, and subscribe. And